Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about a great feature found in iPhones which allows you to activate the feature of announcing the caller's name. So before moving on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. Now let's head directly to the default settings app available on all iPhones and open it as usual. After that, we scroll down a little bit to the option that is labeled as Phone, and remember its icon that represents it. We click on it, and then we proceed to click on the option that is labeled as Announce Calls. This action will immediately bring up this particular interface. Right here at the top, we select the first option and click on it until it shows this mark. From now on, when someone calls you on your phone, the phone will announce their name before you answer. If you've definitely reached this point, don't forget to check out this amazing playlist of iPhone tutorials. You'll find very important and comprehensive tutorials that you'll like and benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.